Assalamu alaikum grade 4. Your English teacher Farzana is here with lecture number 5. And today we are going to read a story of unit number 1. In the last lecture I told you that in unit number 1 there is an interesting story. Let's start the story. First of all, look at the name of the story. Diving for Treasure. Look at picture number 1. Here are two boys in white shirt. This boy's name is Jack, and in green shirt this boy's name is Dave. These two boys went to the sea in the boat, and they had an echo screen with them. With the help of this echo screen, they could see anything lying on the seabed. They saw a sunken ship on the seabed, and they decided to find some treasure from that ship. Look at picture number 2. In this picture, you can see that Jack is getting ready. He is wearing his diving suit. He is going to jump into the seawater. Look at picture number 3. Jack is moving towards the ship. He is almost near the ship. He is talking to his friend through a phone line, and he gets his ear from the boat through an airline. Look at picture number 4. Now Jack is trying to open the ship's door. He is trying to enter into the ship. Picture number 5. Wow! In the ship there were many boxes. When Jack opened a box, there were gold plates and silver cups. He was so surprised. He was very happy. And now look at picture number 6. In the ship there was a cupboard. When Jack was opening the cupboard, he felt something on the back of his neck. Let's see what was going to happen. Oh no! A very big, a giant octopus had attacked on Jack. Jack was fighting with the octopus. The octopus was trying to pull off Jack's mask, but Jack was trying to pull away the octopus legs. Jack was in a big fight, so he left every box in the ship, and he came up to the surface. He was empty-handed. He had nothing in his hand. Dave was worried. He asked, "Where are the boxes?" Jack told, "I was in a fight, but I won." So what happened to the other Jack? Students, you have to read this story 2 times very carefully, and then you have to complete this exercise. You have to solve exercise number 4 in your notebooks, and you have to send me on my email address. Thank you. Bye-bye.